Okay, this is a Sears Kenmore model 1753. And I am Nifty Thrifty Girl, and this machine will be offered on eBay for sale. It's a very, very nice machine. Of course, it's the typical classic quality Kenmore. It's all metal. It weighs about 35 plus pounds as it sits. It's 1.2 amp. Very nice. It has 3 or 4 built-in stitches, multi-point zigzag, straight zigzag, and blind. And then it uses the Kenmore C-cams, or they look like top hat. There's a double stack. They will use both single and double stack. This is a stretch cam. It has no built-in stretch stitches, just regular. It is a low shank machine. Uses standard low shank screw-on feet and attachments. It uses class 15 bobbins. It has the little center needle insert here, which allows you to flip it to zigzag or straight without changing the complete needle plate. Cosmetically, it's very nice. It is the mint green in color. It has the standard Kenmore longer 17-inch bed, which requires a Kenmore cabinet or carrying case if you just don't want to use it on the tabletop. I do try to keep carrying cases available, so check my other listings. It comes with the matching mint green box with a book of cams, some low shank feet and attachments, and a complete buttonholer. It also includes a PDF copy of the instruction manual that will be emailed to you after purchase. Very nice machine, just serviced and ready to go. And in typical Kenmore fashion, it has lots and lots of room under the presser foot, and I will show you that here in just a minute. Nice zigzag. I skipped a stitch. I have a burr on my needle. Change the needle out here. We'll go on. Let's see. Putting in a new needle so we don't have any more skipped stitches. Make sure you tighten it down so it doesn't come out while you're sewing. And this is a double needle capable machine. Every pattern can be sewn with double needle, even the reverse or the stretch patterns can be done with double needle. And a double needle is included. Okay, put in a stretch cam. Show you how it does a stretch pattern. There we go. It's an L-shaped pattern, and the pattern can be adjusted with the knob on the back without adjusting your actual stitch length. Very nice stitch. Move the stretch cam before you want to do anything else. And I want to show you the room under the presser foot while I'm thinking about it. This is 6 quarters. 6 quarters with room to spare underneath, which is awesome because that allows you to put thick projects underneath like this with less hassle. Goes right under, no problem. This is 6 layers of denim using a size 16 needle. Lift it up, push it right around. No problem at all with that. Okay, and this is 3 layers of garment leather. Of course, if you consistently work with leather or vinyl or other sticky fabrics, you might want to invest in an even feed foot. Helps the machine pull the fabric through. As you can see, no problem with 3 layers of leather. That is your Kenmore Model 1753 1.2 amp cam machine.